All right, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is JJ Sandy from Judida Digital Empire, and in this video, I want to be teaching you how to design a social media flyer in less than 5 minutes. All right, so I know a lot of people have been seeing social media flyer on the internet or your social media platforms, and you don't know how to design them. All right, social media flyers like these ones here. All right, you can see all the social media flyers, beautiful flyers like these beautiful flyers, maybe for your WhatsApp group, maybe for your advertisement, maybe for a program you want to host, probably any all these kind of flyers. All right, they are simple and easy way to design this flyer in less than 5 minutes. All right, even though not all of them, there are exceptional ones that need you to take time. All right, but I'll be showing you a website that will help you design this flyer in less than few minutes. Flyers like this, all you have to do is just edit some of the templates and then you are good to go. All right, you can see beautiful flyers, all these kind of flyers. All right, so maybe if you're having a class, you want to host a WhatsApp class, you want to run an advert or something that you don't know how to design, just make sure you watch this video to the end and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification icon so that whenever I release a new video um with high valuable content, you have access to them. All right, before without further ado, let's proceed. All right, so the website we'll be using is called canva.com. All right, so just come to your search bar and type um canva sorry canva.com. All right, so this is the website, canva.com. All right, so but me, I'm already on the website. You can use your phone, you can use um your laptop to access this website. All right, so when you come to this website, the first thing to do is just click on create design. If you if you want to design from scratch, most of the times because I'm already good at graphic design, I design from scratch. It's very easy, just a drag and drop way of designing. All right, but for somebody that is just a beginner and doesn't have time to do all that design from scratch, just come over to the search button and type maybe social media flyer. Just search for it and just hit the enter button. It's loading, it's loading. All right, all right. So you can see a lot of flyers, a lot of beautiful flyers. You can see them here. All right, so you can see all these flyers. All you have to do is just edit them and you are good to go. But a disclaimer here is most of the ones you see with this sign, like this sign, is for the pro version. All right, and the Canva has a pro version and the free version. This one is also a paid version, but I think it's not cost if you want to pay for it. But notwithstanding, you still have access to free flyers. You have free templates. You have access to free templates you can use to edit and do your what's it called, your flyer with. You can see like this one now. This one is a beautiful sales banner flyer. It's a social media flyer. Let's say we're going to use this one for the this thing. Just click on it and click on customize this template. All right, okay. um okay, it's loading. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit the bell notification icon so that anytime I release new videos, you'll be the first people to get access to the video. All right. So you can see everything here is editable. Everything here is editable. The color, you can put in your number here, your logo here, the background. You can everything here is editable. You can even add your own image. All right, you can even add your own image. All right, so let's proceed. Okay, now let's, if you want to add if you want to edit this template, let's say you want to just change the color, you can just click on this one now and then or let's just leave the color is fine. Let's just say this one is what will I say, let's use it for, let's say happy birthday, happy. You just drag it like that Happy. This one should be birthday. So let's drag it as well like that. Okay, so I know you are seeing this. Okay, it's overlapping, right? just just navigate it. Everything is movable, everything is editable. Just navigate it. You can reduce the size here, reduce it to the let's say we'll leave it at let's say 95. All right, so you just, so that it will not be overlapping, you draw it like that. Let's say something like this is not bad. Oh, let's just reduce it to 90. 90 is not bad. Okay, so this is something like that. Happy birthday. Happy birthday is, let's edit this one and make it something like Zainab. All right. So if you don't like the font, maybe you don't like the font for Zainab, you can just come here. You can change your font, any font that you love to design. You can just click on it. Yeah, like you see now, I've changed to Montserrat. You can go to Leaks pattern. All right, and if you want to increase the size, you can just come here, increase the size to, let's say, 40. 40. 40 is not bad. Let's leave it at 40. All right, and if you want to centralize it, just come here and it's going to come to the center. All right, that's the alignment. All right, so you can, all these things are just simple manipulations you can do. All right, so, and probably if you don't like the color, you don't like this color, you can, this synapse color, you can come here, just change any color. But I love the color shade. You can change it to red, yeah, any of them, and it's still fine. It's still fine. You can just, if you don't like this here, you can delete it. Anything you don't like, just delete it. All right, so you can see our design is changing. If you don't like this image, you can just come here. Maybe you want to put the person's image. All right, so you can just come to upload. All right, if you have the person's image, the moment you click upload file, your own phone or your laptop folder will open, and then you select the image you want to use. All right, so I don't know whether I have I don't know whether I have an image here. Let me see. Notwithstanding, let's just use this. Let's just use this lady's image, or let me use this my image. Just, I've uploaded it, so this is my image. All right, I'll be using my picture. Okay, so delete this lady's image. Then if you want to turn the face of the image, you want to turn it so that it will be facing this side, just come here. Okay, sorry, come here to flip. Click on flip, and then you can see it has rotate. So it's very, very easy to design, very, very easy to design flyer with this website. In less than 5 minutes you are done. All right, so if you don't like it to be at the front, you can send it backward. All right, you can just click the image, right click on the image, you see this option sign, and then send to the back. You can see. All right, so you can right click again, send to the front. Yeah, you can see now this one is at the front, this one is behind. I don't know whether you get it. So this is how simple it is. If you have your logo, you can remove this and put your logo over here. Maybe you have a logo you want to add, something like let's say I want to add, this is our school logo. All right, so you do something like that, you just do it. All right, so this is one of the easiest websites for graphic design. Most social media or content creators use these things for their social media design, because we don't have time to use Corel Draw to waste your time. It's quite professional to use softwares like Corel Draw, Photoshop for your designs. But if you wanna do a design that is fast, I will advise you to come on to Canva and design your flyers. All right. So you can just come here and then maybe put your contact or something. If it's probably a normal flyer, you can just put up your contact over here. Yeah, something like that. Just giving an example. I just want somebody to learn. I know many people have been talking about, they want to learn this graphic design and they don't want to stress themselves. Probably they are having little engagement. If you know this is the basics. You can do beautiful designs with this. In less than 10 minutes, you are done. All you have to do is just learn how to manipulate and navigate through. All right, so if you want to change, the font, you come over here, you change the font. If you want to change the color, you come over here, you change the color. If you don't see any color you want here, just click on this. You click on it, you manipulate, you choose anywhere you want. Maybe you choose something like this. If it's not there, you can carry it to this, and then you manipulate to the color you want. Or if the color is in the flyer, let's say it's in this flyer, you want to come to this picker tool, click on the picker tool, and then you select what you want. Let's say you want to select this background for the color, or this one, this side. Just click on it to pick automatically. All right, so I think and when you are done, this is just a rough sketch. If you want to design something more beautiful, you can design something beautiful than this. When you are done, you come here, edit, and write maybe happy birthday, something like happy birthday. Sorry, happy birthday. Let's use it now, even though it's not